Hello, everybody. Welcome to Lunar Blessings. It's me, Dee Sparta, and well, today we are going to unbox spiritual goodies. This company was the first subscription box that I got that had to deal with, spiritual items, and I have overall been really impressed with it. There was like one box I was like, well, but for my money, I think, hit or miss, when there's less misses and more hits, then it's worth it. So hopefully, I don't know the theme of this box. I haven't taken any spoilers, so I'm excited to see. All right, because it's fragranced. There's a lot of fragrance in these boxes lately, and this is when you open it up. And we're going to get the, today I choose to be fully aware of the presence of my angels. Oh, that is so sweet. You know what? That's a good reminder. Beware of your angels, because they're here and helpful. So you get this pamphlet, and it goes over the items that you have, how to use them, and it goes through different things to try out, like automatic writing, then numerology, and developing trust, let go of control. And it talks about all the archangels. I think I'm going to do something on angels because I've studied theology, demonology, angel in college. Okay, my college years. That's what I spent. I studied a lot about it, and it just fascinates me. It really does. So this box is inspiring me. So let's see this first thing here. Very nicely packed, which I'm glad, because it looks like it could have leaked or broken and stuff if it wasn't. Rose, you're always so thoughtful in packing these boxes and getting things out. Okay, now this is Archangel Michael, protection and strength, Moonstar energies, directions: mist above your crown and through your aura. Let your intuition guide you, not for internal use. I can talk. I do talk. Now, this aura mist is, let's see here. Spray is $17. That seems pretty average. I mean, it's good size. I'm gonna try and smell it. I do like the scent. I gotta tell you, the fragrance is nice. It's refreshing. It's like a refreshing, clean scent. That is okay. It's delicately scented with organic lavender and frankincense essential oils. I don't know. This is really nice. I like that. Nice. Okay, in here looks like a piece of jewelry. Oh, it's got, okay. Can you see the pieces in here? Okay. Now this necklace, let's see here. Oh, it's the Guardian Angel Wing necklace. Yeah, that looks like an angel wing, and there's a crystal. This is worth $29. Let's see here. What's this crystal? Let's see. Does it tell me? The wings symbolize a desire to let your spirit soar, to rise above challenge. Yeah, I get this. It's just a reminder of your angels. That's cute. It's pretty. I'm not going to take it out because I have a feeling it's just going to become not a gnarled mess, and don't need that right now. Let's see what else I got in here. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. I have a bigger shell, and this is sage. Let's see here. White sage and mini abalone set. This is $6. Now, the practice of burning sage is sacred in many communities and deserves our respect. This ancient practice has roots in Native American tradition. It's something we should always be doing with intention and deep gratitude to those who did it before us. First, open a door or window before lighting the sage because the negativity needs a pathway to get out. Next, set your intention. Take a moment before you light the sage to determine what you're trying to purify and release from your space. Here is a simple intention. I let go and release what no longer serves me. Once you're ready, light a sage leaf and let it burn for about 10 to 15 seconds. Gently blow out the flame and place it in the abalone shell. You can light just one leaf or add a few into more to the shell. That's really cute. Now, I know people are always concerned about the ethical use of sage and how it's gathered, where it's from. I'm always very careful myself. I grow sage, lots of different kinds of sage in my own backyard. They've got these huge bushes, and it is good to use because I know where it's coming from. Okay. Oh, I think I really like this. I can just, wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, folks. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my gosh. It just in person, and it feels nice and cool to the touch. This is the opalite. I thought it was opal. I thought opalite, angel stone. Opalite is also known as a Tiffany stone or opalized fluorite. It's a man-made stone, but has many healing properties. It has a subtle and dynamic energy. It is ideal for all types of healing and also meditation. Opalite is a must-have if you want to increase and harness your personal power. This, I'm like, I'm going to set this back here right now. Oh, I just love that. Oh, yeah. And how much was that stone? That's $10. Okay. Oh, yeah. This box is $40, $39.99 you pay. So let's see what else I got in here. Oh, wow. This. Look at this. It's very cool to the touch also. This is the Angel Aura Cluster. This is $15. This stone carries a very loving and sweet energy. It is an also excellent aura cleanser and helps to align the chakras. Meditating with this crystal allows you to enter a state of serenity and peace and to go beyond the body to receive help from your angel guides. You know, I'm going to do a guided meditation on finding your angel guides, your spirit guides, and I think it will be helpful to others because I know how much it's helped me and connecting with ancestors. This just feels so, I'm glad to have that. Now, 2 more things in here. The gua sha. How to use your gua sha. If I butcher that, gua sha, I am so terribly sorry. This is a facial tool that I'm trying to open up here. Embarrassing. All right. Oh, with this on the back, it tells you how to use it. In here, this is worth $20. I think I have some of these. Oh no, I do not. Oh wow. It feels so cool to the touch. It's the shape of an angel wing. That is great. So using it around your oh wow, okay, it is really nice and cool. Okay, they say use on your legs, your back, your temple, work up. Well, you know what? This feels really nice. I don't know if it's just because it's the cool touch of the stone. I have tension headaches ongoingly and migraines since I was a wee little child and could barely speak. So this, when I find something to just go like, it feels so relieving. I'm going to keep it in here, keep it nice and safe. That is really, really nice. I love that's done angel wings. Now there is one more item in here. Ah. Oh, I wish I'd opened this before Christmas because I'm taking my tree down this week. They're angel ornaments and they're gorgeous. Gorgeously made. Look at these angel wings. Let me see. How much was this set of ornaments? The ornament now each ornament is $3 a piece, so this set would be $9. They're handmade with birch wood and made exclusive for our Spiritual Goodies family. Allow them to serve as a reminder that your angels are always available to you. These are great to hang on your Christmas tree or year-round around your altar. I might put these up because they're just the work on these wings. I don't know if you could tell that just well crafted, very well crafted, and I'm happy with this. This has just been a really nice, sweet box. It's a different theme than what I've gotten from them or anybody lately, and I really appreciate it. And the care that it's obvious a lot of care was put into this, and she was able to get some really nice products that I am excited to use and items to add to my altar. Building your own altar is important. You know, it's got to be things that resonate, you are drawn to, and there's certain tools that you should have. And I find that these subscription boxes are a great way of building your collection and your altar. It's been very helpful for me, and I hope that this video is helpful for you also. Thank you for joining me here. And you know what? I think one of my next videos will be all about angels. I also be doing tarot readings for your 2021. And we're going to be diving into some astrology here. And I'm pretty excited about this. And I had all these great ideas last night, and I can't wait. I'm going to just keep quiet because 2021 is going to be a much better year. It's not going to be easy. I realize hard work is going to have to be put in for things to manifest, and I'm excited because I am feeling really motivated. I'm feeling encouraged. Sorry, my throat, it's got a tickle. It's a little sore. I was really sick yesterday. I had 103.7 fever. And it broke last night, and I'm doing a lot better, but my throat, and I still have a cough. Do I think I have coronavirus? You know, the part of me went, could I have gotten exposed? But I don't think so. My kids have coughs. I think we've been dealing with a lot of bad air here in Boise when we had all this. It was nasty. It was a nasty air problem, and it really upset a lot of our allergies, and our allergies sometimes convert into like bronchitis and a sinus infection, and it happens. So I'm not surprised, but you know, it's kind of scary because, you know, I wanted to spend Christmas dinner last night with my family, and I'm sick. My kids are sick. They're coughing. Krista had a light fever, and it was like, what is going on here? But the fever's not coming back. That's a great sign. So I'm leaning more towards the normal bronchitis that I deal with, their sinus infection. Good times, right? Anyway, because I've had some, like last night, I know another reason why it's all real sore. I had a really bad asthma attack last night. And that just like knocked me out. It was like, I'm done. I'm gone. So, you know what? I'm sorry for going on about this, about my health, but it is something people are concerned about. We got to be concerned and look out for each other, you know? And do what's best to keep others safe and ourselves safe. So please remember, wear a mask, use your hand sanitizer, and take care of yourself. All right, everybody, thank you for joining me here on Lunar Blessings. I would love it to see more and more people subscribe to this channel as it's growing. I'm excited with the content that's coming out and what's going to be coming out. And I appreciate all the comments and the likes and the views. It means so much to me. But also, please subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. I love you all. I do have a contest coming up. I'm giving away. It's on its way. It shipped last week. I got another Tamed Wild December box, and it's on its way. And I can't wait to be able to give that box to another person. And if you want to see that video, I will have the link down below and up in here. Okay. I think that's about it. I'm done. I'm just like ramble. Woo! You're just shooting the woo with me, and I love it. And I love you guys. And take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.